Ever feel like YouTube is playing favorites? Let's dive into a case study that'll blow your mind. There's a channel that popped up out of nowhere. 422,000 subscribers, 58 videos, and 181 million views. But here's the kicker. Every video is just 10 seconds long. The first upload was on November 23, 2024, but the channel was supposedly created in 2023. In less than 2 months, it pulled off numbers that most creators can only dream of. Now I know what you're thinking. Can you do this too? Absolutely. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment, a big budget, or years of experience. I'll walk you through how to create similar videos using free AI tools. No editing skills required. Ready? Let's break it down. Why did these videos explode? I took a deep dive into this channel's content and found some key patterns. Instant hook. Every video grabs attention within the first second. No fluff, no build-up, just pure visual impact. AI-generated brilliance. Many of the visuals seem enhanced or fully created using AI, making them stand out. Emotional storytelling. The content follows a classic underdog versus strong opponent formula, triggering an emotional response that keeps viewers hooked. Ultra-short format. 10-second clips are perfect for replays and retention, which the YouTube algorithm loves. This isn't just luck, it's a repeatable strategy, and I'm about to show you how to use it for yourself. Step 1. Analyzing the video. Before we create our own viral short, let's break down how these videos are structured. Length. Most videos are 10 seconds long. Format. A single, impactful scene with motion. Editing. Minimal but optimized for high engagement. The plan? Recreate a similar video using AI without needing expensive software or advanced editing skills. Step 2. Screenshot time. To get started, follow these steps. Take a screenshot of one of the viral videos you want to replicate. This will be used as a reference. Open ChatGPT and upload the screenshot. Use this AI prompt. Generate a highly detailed image in a similar style to this screenshot. It should have high contrast, dynamic lighting, and a cinematic feel. ChatGPT will generate a text prompt that we'll use in the next step. Step 3. Generate the image. Now let's create a high-quality AI-generated image for our video. Go to leonardo.ai and log in for free. Click Generate Image to start the process. Enter the AI-generated prompt from ChatGPT. Set the aspect ratio depending on your content. 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok. Click Generate and let AI work its magic. If the first result isn't perfect, regenerate the image until you're satisfied. The key is to have an image that is visually striking and engaging. Do the same thing for all of images you have. Step 4. Turn the image into a video. Now that we have the image, we need to animate it. For this, we'll use Kling AI. Open Kling AI and click Image to Video. Upload your AI-generated image. Copy and paste the AI animation prompt. ChatGPT can generate this too. Set the creativity level to around 0.7. This ensures smooth and realistic motion. Choose the video duration. 5 to 10 seconds works best. Click Generate and let the AI animate your image. While it processes, let's move on to the next step. Step 5. Download and edit. Once your video is ready, it's time to fine-tune it using CapCut or any simple video editor. Import the animated video into CapCut. Add background music and sound effects to enhance engagement. If needed, trim or adjust the clip length. Zoom in slightly to remove any AI-generated watermarks. If you want, add text or captions for extra engagement. Once done, export your video. Your viral short is ready. Why am I sharing this? Some people might ask, if this method works, why share it instead of just using it myself? I believe in sharing knowledge, not gatekeeping success. The internet is full of opportunities, and anyone willing to put in the effort can take advantage of them. At the end of the day, there are 2 types of people. Those who take action and build success for themselves. Those who watch others succeed from the sidelines. Which one do you want to be? If you're ready to start, follow these steps and start creating your own viral videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more AI-powered strategies. Good luck, and see you next time.